Some may define it, the sugar and problems, but it's all just a start. So, no, you know.